Question 22, 20% plus 0.15 plus something equals 1 whole one. What is the missing fraction? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this all into percentages first. So we've got 20%, that's already a percentage. 0.15 would be just 15%, that's pretty easy. And 1 whole one would be 100%. So we're trying to make this up to 100%. So 20% plus 15% will be 35%. And 35% plus something has got to give us 100%. Well, if you knock off the 30, you'd be down to 70%, and then knock off the 5, you'd be down to 65%. So it's got, this has to be 6, the missing percentage would be 65%. But the problem is, it doesn't say what's the missing percentage, it says what's the missing fraction. So we know what's 60, we know it's 65%. So what's that as a fraction? Well, percentage is out of 100, so 65% is 65 out of 100. So that could be one answer that could go in here. So we could write 65 out of 100. And that would be marked correct. But if we're being really smart, we could actually simplify it. So to simplify 65 100ths, you would divide both numbers by the same thing, and they both divide by a 5. So that will reduce both numbers to simplify it. So 100 divided by 5 would be 20. And 65 divided by 5, well, that might be tricky to do in your head. So I'll just do a quick bus stop method. 5 into 6 goes once, remainder 1. That now gives us 15. And 5 into 15 goes 3 times. So it's going to be 13. So one correct answer is 65 100ths, but another correct answer is 13 20ths, because that's an equivalent fraction to 65 100ths. Either of those two answers would be marked correct.